Christmas songs were penned in 1861 by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. In the grim day of the Civil War, and just after the death of his wife. As he sat to write, he began to hear the bells of the local churches peal and peal. He remembered that God was not deaf after all, and hope for peace and the sense that right would prevail began to enter his mind. The tune was written in 1870 by the English organist John Baptist Culkin. The name, I Heard the Bells on Christmas Day. The following carol song was credited to Martin Luther, the German religious reformer, but was actually published by James R. Murray in 1887. It was not written by either man, but actually borrowed from a children's Sunday school book published in Philadelphia in 1885, Away in the Manger. Felix Mendelssohn wrote the following tune in 1840 for a cantata written to commemorate Johann Gutenberg. 15 years later, it was applied to another verse written by Charles Wesley in 1739. The devout Wesley, poet laureate of the Methodist Church, wrote over 6,500 hymns. This is one of them. Hark the herald angels sing.
help us with this last one, please? Brother, here's your music. Okay, you guys need to sing. Okay. These are our
Our last song has never been considered a church song, but always included at Christmas by children everywhere. Actually, written in 1857 by James Pierpont, a children's Sunday school teacher in a large Boston church. It was not originally written for Christmas, but for a children's Thanksgiving program. The children learned in one session, and it became a favorite forever. Now a Christmas song, Jingle Bells.